Hey guys, it's Eric, host of the Midnight Café. I got some big news I'd like to share with you. Season 5 of the Midnight Café will be starting very shortly. The big news is that it won't be starting here. The Midnight Café, which traditionally has been broadcast on smaller AM and FM stations, is going worldwide. WBCQ 7490 on the shortwave band, a 100,000 watt transmitter, transmits to the entire planet. Well, that's the new home for the Midnight Café. I'm super excited. The show starts June 4th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. That's a Saturday. And we'll broadcast every Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. And I hope you'll join me for that. We have a new co-host that'll be joining the program. We intend to do a lot more live interviews. And of course, we'll be taking your calls as always. That is the Midnight Café Season 5 on WBCQ 7490 Shortwave. I'll see you then, my friends. Take care.